Your question is, Indian Constitution does not give right to freedom of the press, but it is included in. Your options are A. Article 19(1)(a), B. Article 19(1)(b), C. Article 19(1)(c), or D. Article 19(1)(d). Right answer is A. Article 19(1)(a). Your question is, which one of the following categories of fundamental rights incorporates protection against untouchability as a form of discrimination? Your options are A. Right against exploitation, B. Right to freedom, C. Right to constitutional remedies, or D. Right to equality. Right answer is D. Right to equality. Your question is, freedom of newspapers in India. Your options are A. Especially provided by Article 19(1)(a), B. Is secured by under Article 19(1)(b), C. Secured by Article 361(a), or D. Has origin by the enforcement of rule of law. Right answer is A. Especially provided by Article 19(1)(a). Your question is, in which article the fundamental rights to freedom of speech and expression is provided in the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Article 14, B. Article 19, C. Article 21, or D. Article 22. Right answer is B. Article 19. Your question is, as a part of the right to freedom, which one of the following does not form part of freedom to assemble peaceably and without arms? Your options are A. Gherav officials not performing their duties, B. Peaceful assembly, C. People who assemble should not bear arms, or D. A state can make a law imposing reasonable restrictions on the exercise of this right. Right answer is A. Gherav officials not performing their duties. Your question is, in the context of polity, which one of the following would you accept as the most appropriate definition of liberty? Your options are A. Protection against the tyranny of political rulers, B. Absence of restraint, C. Opportunity to do whatever one likes, or D. Opportunity to develop oneself fully. Right answer is D. Opportunity to develop oneself fully. Your question is, which article of the Constitution of Indian Republic relates to the protection of life and personal liberty? Your options are A. Article 19, B. Article 21, C. Article 20, or D. Article 22. Right answer is B. Article 21. Your question is, which one of the following does not fall within the purview of Article 21 of the Constitution? Your options are A. Medical aid to injured by a doctor, B. Sexual harassment of women at workplace, C. Pollution of the quality of water, or D. Capital punishment. Right answer is D. Capital punishment. Your question is, which one of the following rights is available under Article 19(1)(d), read with Article 21? Your options are A. Right to travel abroad, B. Right to shelter, C. Right to privacy, or D. Right to information. Right answer is C. Right to privacy. Your question is, by which of the following grounds a citizen's freedom of expression may not be subjected to restriction? Your options are A. Sovereignty of India, B. Public order, C. Contempt of court, D. Unbecoming criticism, or E. All of the above. Right answer is D. Unbecoming criticism.